investors regarding establishment and business areas po natin. So this side po natin, we have approximately 38 Taiwanese investors, and also we have three Filipino investors join with Taiwanese. Yes, lalabas tayo. Ikot mo lang. So yun yung pinaka-site natin, no? Wherein, some of our companies inside are some semiconductors, and bigger company that we have. Oops! So, bali yung ano natin, yung pinakamalaking company na madadaanan natin ngayon is what we know as Winstron Infocom Philippines, known as the Acer Company. Sila yung mga gumagawa ng motherboards, computer, and laptop computer dito sa Subic. And no plans. So, dun sa ano yung ating areas.
Malaki?
So, yung may mga computer sa bahay, galing po sa Subic yun. Lalabas na ng bansa, ibebenta ulit sa Pilipinas. So that's the main areas of ano natin. Kasi hindi tayo pwede magbenta.
Yan o, malaki.
You have to export mo muna siya, tapos ibabalik mo sa Pilipinas, ibibenta mo sa labas. That's the process. Okay? Pero kung talagang gusto natin ikutin ang Subic, kulang po ang isang araw na pag-iikot. At least you have 7 days to complete the tour of Subic. So ganun kalawak yung aming ikutan. And there are some areas na makikita nyo mamaya